Hey, don't jump. It's not the end of the world. Sabi ko sa kanya, doon tayo sa loob mag-umpisa magpintar. Eh, ito yung gusto niya. Hindi ko talaga siya pigilan.
Are you done? Because it's time to get closing up.
75 height. Oh, what's this? Oh, glass. 35.8. What is 35.8 by 75? I wish we can get this one, and I would like to see how it looks. Naghahanap kami ng ukay-ukay na, whoops, shower door. Yung frameless ba? Wala naman sila. I wish there's somebody can help us. So ito po yung ukay-ukay store sa mga construction, guys. Ukay-ukay doesn't mean na nagamit na, puro brand new ito. Tapos yung ilan ay donated ng mga contractors na mayayaman ba, tapos hindi na nila ginagamit, extra na mga supplies nila. So dinodonate nila dito sa reuse store, tapos binibinta ng bagong-bago. Pero mura kasi donated. Naghahanap ako. Wala kasi silang to tour look. 30 inches by 75. Kailangan ko ng at least 60. So may nakita kami. Wait. This is really nice. Ganyan, oh.
This is very closing.
So from 600, how much was it? 600 plus, nagiging 239 na lang.
We're not moving out.
Kaya lang, hindi namin madala today. Ha?
I say your front door size, stuff like this would be harder to get. Anything harder to get through the front door.
The front door is very high, so that can go in. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight to all my friends near and far. This is Marilyn, your friend La Filipina Carpentera here in America, and right now we are on our way to meet my in-laws. And look at my husband, he's so cute. Pasensya na sa kalat dyan sa likod kasi alam niya naman itong car ko ay pang ito construction. But anyway, huwag nyo na lang pansinin niya sa likod, okay, please. But ito po, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga lugar dito na dumaan kami sa train track. But anyway, punta kami sa mga in-laws, no? They are actually coming, they traveled 5 hours, just to come and celebrate Corey's birthday. Happy birthday to you. Can you say hi to? Oh, jeez. What's that? What's going on in there?
They got 2 lanes.
Is that an accident? Straight ahead?
Like a engine problem. It's like
Okay. Guys, alam niyo ba ang nangyayari? Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Alam niyo ba na nakipag-usap na ako sa ibon? Kasi meron na kaming meron na kaming border doon sa bahay namin. Hindi pa nga kami nakalipat, may nag-squat na. Kaya pinagalitan ko. Guys, kasi wala akong makontent. Tapos walang nanonood sa akin. So yun, pati ibon kinausap ko na, guys, para lang may content ako, okay? Tapos secret lang natin to, ha? Huwag niyong isabi sa iba na nakipag-usap ako sa ibon. Joke. Ganda ng nila, oh. Ganda dito. Hello! Ang laki ng hotel nila, oh.
We see this one. Look how, well, that's residence in part of it.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, they're all kind of connected.
Yeah. Yan yung mga in-laws namin. Sabi ko na.
How are we gonna ride it?
See, I told you we need to clean our, sorry.
well, I don't think you want to. Even
I
if it
told them,
was-
can we clean our car before they arrive? Because I'm kind of ashamed.
we should have brought the motorcycle instead.
Oh, sorry. So dito kami kakain. Pizza place as always. Yan, Ober's flower edible arrangement. Pag mag-ano ka, bibili ka ng flower arrangement yan. Tapos, pag bibili ka ng flower arrangement na chocolates dyan. Tapos, we are going to Dewey's, the Learning Kitchen. Okay, punong-puno yung restaurant na pupuntahan namin. 40 minutes daw yung wait. So, ano na lang kami, hanap kami ng iba. Ewan ko kung saan kami pupunta. Oh.
These are nicer.
You can destroy those in probably a month.
No, these would not be destroyed.
This is kind of weird. Happy birthday to you.
Beat it.
This is a nice apartment.
Actually, looks like there's even dishes in the cupboard.
Of course there are. There's everything in there.
It's like
I mean,
an
this could be
apartment
Like yeah, this is like a
in a hotel.
like a studio apartment.
I've had one.
Alright, galing lang namin sa parents-in-law. Tapos natin na namin sila sa kanilang hotel. Ngayon, papunta na kami sa aming patutunguhan. No? May pipick upin kaming ukay-ukay. Chandelier siya, but flushed. So, ito yung neighborhood na pupuntahan namin.
Greenbrier. Okay. Where is it now?
Right in.
You have arrived.
Where? Yan, binisita namin yung girlie namin, na baby. Hi, Birdie Lab. Bird Lading. Pangalan niya ay Bird Lading. Tapos may mga apo na kami. Kailan kaya sila gigising? Lalabas sa kanilang pinanggalingan.
I don't like this. I don't know what they're called.
Birdie Labs. How are you, Birdie? Oh, jeez, I touched your paint. I touched your paint. Oh my gosh, you're so pretty, Birdie Labs.
Careful up there. I'm having problems.
She's not even blinking her eyes. Birdie! Kumusta na mga apo ko dyan? Ha? Bernadine? What's her name again? Birdie Labardine? Bird Labardine. Sorry, but kailangan yung aalis dyan soon. Maybe we can just wait until she hatches before we will cover this up.
We're not gonna cover it up right now. So.
Yeah, we'll just wait until they're done. She doesn't even blink. Hey, breathe. Huminga ka naman dyan, Birdie. Promise I won't do anything to you. Wawa naman itong baby namin, ha? Nag-transfer namin dito eh. Alis na kayo, ha? Kasi baka kakainin kayo ng mga pusa namin. Hey. Birdie. Yan. You are so pretty. I wish I can just come near you. Come here, baby girl. Baby. Hindi ako nakadala ng pagkain ni Birdie. I forgot. Naku, anong klaseng ina ka? Wala kang pakialam kung anak mo ay nagugutom? Ha? Kahit na mga apo mo, pinapabayaan mo. Bakit? Anong klaseng ina ka? Diba, Birdie Lab? What's her name again? Bird Laboratory.
Bird Lab.
Bird Labs. Parang nakatingin siya sa akin, sabi niya. Kung wala ka man lang maidulot na pagkain dito, malis ka na dyan. Huwag kang ganyan magsalita sa ina mo, ha? Suwail na anak eh. Nasaan na yung asawa mo? Bakit ka nabuntis? Ha? Huwag kang patingin-tingin dyan eh. Nagpapabuntis ka tapos ako na naman yung mag-aano sa'yo, alaga sa'yo. Ilan ba yung mga anak mo na aalagaan ko? Ha? I'm just joking, Bird Labs. I'm just joking. Don't be upset, okay? Bart, can we buy food for her?
She doesn't need food from us.
Do birds nurse to their mother?
I don't know what they do.
Ang ganda-ganda niya, guys, oh. Super ganda talaga. Ah! Okay, I'm going now, Birdie. Okay, ingat kayo dyan, ha? And you hatch fast.
Bilisan mong paglabas ng mga anak mo dyan para makaalis na kayo kasi wala kayong renta dito. Ha? Mga squatters kayo? Ha? Huwag kang magtingin-tingin sa akin dyan as if galit ka. Ako dapat yung nagagalit sa'yo kasi wala kayong permiso eh. Kundi pa nga kami nakatira dito eh, nag-i-squat na kayo dyan. My gosh. Nah, I'm just joking, birdie. Baka pag may nakarinig, secret lang natin to ha. Baka may nakarinig sa akin, sabihin nila na para naman luka-luka itong babaeng ito. Huwag niyo sabihin sa iba ha. Secret lang natin yan na nakipag-usap ako sa bird. Oh, bye birdie. You're so pretty. Yan, patuloy pa rin siya sa kanyang project. Samantalang ako, hey, don't jump. It's not the end of the world. Sabi ko sa kanya, doon tayo sa loob mag-umpisa magpintar. Ito yung gusto niya. Hindi ko talaga siya pigilan. Sabi ko that, I told you that there's more job that needed to be done inside. But ito talagang gusto niya eh. So, wala na akong madu. But it's really looking good, Borg.
I didn't get enough.
So, half of this house is our sweat equity. In other words, ano ba yan? Kalahati ng bahay na ito, kami po yung mga pawis namin, yung equity namin dito. Kaya naka-save kami. Otherwise, kung mag-hire kami ng mga bagong contractors to do everything like painting and then doing what is tiling and then painting inside and then putting the flooring, etc. etc. Nako, ilang libo na naman kaya. Kung ano lang magagawa namin, yun yung gagawin namin. Madali lang naman ang pagpinta. Huwag ka lang mahulog dyan. But anyway, yeah, slowly but surely. Ay, mamatay na itong cellphone ko. Kaya mag-i-end na muna ako dito. And salamat talaga sa inyong panonood. And I hope na wag nyo akong pabayaan. And I hope na wag nyo akong iwanan. Please, 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 please. And salamat talaga sa lahat na nandyan para sa akin. I owe everything to you guys. Itong mga watch hours ko. Kaya God bless you and ingat kayo palagi. Bye-bye.